One night when the moon illumined in the sky, I first took a notion to marry. So I put on my hat, and away I did fly. You'd think I was in a great hurry. I came to a spot where often I'd been. My heart took a jump when my darling I seen. So I opened the door and bid her good night, saying, will ya come with me over the mountain? My fine dear, but what's come over you now? I'm glad to see you so merry. It's now 12 o'clock, you should be in bed, but come in and I'll waken my mammy. If you think I am jesting, my jesting is real. I've courted 12 months, and I think that should do. And before I go home, I'll be married to you, if you'll come with me over the mountain. If I should make an elopement with you, it's bound to be wrought with great danger. Our neighbours would tattle and cackle us all, and my friends they would gaze in great wonder. Well, let them all tattle and cackle away, consult with yourself, for it's very near day. And I don't give a rap what the lot of them says, if you'll come with me over the mountain. Well, I must away, it's home I must go, for I think it is fitting and better. So farewell, my darling, farewell for a while, and let this put an end to the matter. Oh, wait just a minute, let put on me shoes. My heart took a leap when I heard the good news. She came to the door, saying, maybe I'll choose to come with you over the mountain. By this time the moon had sunk in the west, for the dawn of a bright summer's morning. Off we did go, the pair it was one, for the wedding the two hearts were pining. The Saturday came without more delay, he married us both on the very same day. And it's often we talk, when there's nothing to say, of the trip we took over the mountain.